What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Jumping right into the video. If you're doing oil pump gears in your 2018, 2019 Mustang, you need to know that your balancer down there that you have to pull off, it's kind of a headache to find tools to actually get that thing off. A lot of people are actually having to modify tools. I'm going to show you how to do this the cheap way. You're going to go to the parts store, you're going to get one of these guys right here, and you're going to go to Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever, and then you get some cheap bolts, screws, and washers. So let's dive into the video. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go. Right in front of me is my 2019 Mustang GT. We are tearing it down. We really can't go any further until UPS gets here and drops off a little bit more packaging. Oil pump gear should be arriving today, but we have to get ready, so we have everything torn apart. Now we have to take this timing cover off, and this is the troublemaker right here. So this bolt right here, you're going to take this end right here, and you're going to have three of them, and it's going to slot down just like that. And then I'm going to put this together and show you exactly what you need to do, and it should be a cakewalk after this. But yeah, a lot of work that we're doing for the twin turbo build. So if you want to follow the progression of this build, you have to subscribe and then also turn your notification bell on so that you receive all updates. And I'm going to go ahead and assemble the rest of this right here so that you can see exactly what you need to do. Now what we've done is taken the backs of the bolts and slid them through the little slots back there. And we have, that's really due to the fact that when we start screwing this guy in there, I just want to be able to keep it safe. So hopefully this will work, and then in theory we should just be able to screw this inwards, and then once you get these tight, this entire balancer should just pull off. And then you got to make sure that before you do that, you do take the bolt out there, which is an 18 mil, and take the washer out, and then this should work. Now what you're going to do is make sure that it looks like this. If you're pretty much even on it, then you should be able to just go on in there. Now let's see if all this hard work pays off. Guys, this is again just a very fast video, just basically show you how this is done. So take your time. You can actually look through here at these slots. So the back side of this bolt here will be long enough to just catch. You know, every once in a while Facebook forums, Mustang Facebook forums come in handy, so I did have to actually consult with a couple of people. Thank you, Jason. Thank you, Jeff Gray. All of those, everybody that contributed to the chat, the question that I asked. This is how you're going to do it. So the three pullers, you're going to have to grind down the arms to get them in there, or you can just do this. And I think total investment here is about 30 bucks if you buy this, or you can rent it for 20 bucks and go spend about $5 on some screws here. Now we flip this over. That's pretty much how this looks. Now I did put a little socket in there. So in here like that, this is like a, what is this, 17? Something, 19 millimeter. I had it tucked in there like that. And then just give it some time, be patient. If it's not perfect, go and redo it. It is going to be kind of a chore to get this right, but once you do, it's going to come off with ease. Yeah guys, once again, just to close out the video, again, hopefully you found this helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you did find it educational, and if you want to see the progression of this twin turbo build, like I said at the beginning, you got to subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you guys later. Have fun, be safe.